G'day team, well done for your activity last week, the coding activity. You did a great job. Today we're looking at writing definitions and learning how to do a bit of research work. What I'd like you to do for your homework is find some definitions of a list of words that we have for you. Probably the most important thing that we have to remember is not to cut and paste. If I wanted a cut and paste definition, I would do that myself. So it's about reading and understanding what you are reading once you've done your research. So what you have to do first, you'll be given a word, and it could be, for example, what is a variable? Okay, remember we're looking at computer programming. So be careful not to just look at variable, because there are many different meanings for variable, but you have to make sure that you are relating this word to computer programming because it gives a different meaning. So first thing, I've got the word variable. What I want to do next is look it up, do some research, use your iPad, use the internet, type in Google. Can I see something? Use variable computer science. Now it gives me a variety of definitions, so have a look which is easier to read. Some definitions are very confusing and difficult, others are very simple. So flick through what Google gives you, all the support and help, and find a definition you think, yep, I'm going to have a read of that one. And there are lots of definitions for variable under computer science or computer programming. I'm going to pick word. I'm going to use Wikipedia. Wikipedia gives a very good definition of what is a variable. And a variable plays an important part in computer programming because it enables the programmer to write flexible programs. Rather than entering data directly into the program, a programmer can use variables to represent data. Then when the program is executed, the variables are replaced with real data. This makes it possible for the same program to process different sets of data. Every variable has a name called the variable name or data type. Okay. Remember, if you're reading a statement and you are not sure what it means, go back to Google and see if you can find an explanation or definition that you can understand. Then you have to write it in your own words. Be careful not to write it, not just to copy it, because if you don't understand it, then it is pointless doing this exercise. So, for example, a variable is like a cup holder. It can be used to hold something. And can be accessed later on. That can be accessed later on. So, what is a variable? A variable is like a cup. It can be used to hold things. And when you need to dip into that cup to get your data, it stores it there ready for you to use. So, the important thing for doing any research or writing word definition, make sure you understand it. If you are not sure, try to look for an easier definition online. If you still get confused, make sure you come and see me or Mātua Kawana, and we will help clarify that definition. You have 10 words, 10 computer programming words that you need to find the definition for. You need to understand exactly what it means, and please, the most important thing, write it in your own words. Good luck, and we'll check these next Wednesday.